All right, welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I want to do a product review for a product that's on Warrior Plus that just came out today. Now, I haven't done a product review in a really long time. I was actually looking at the last time I purchased a product on Warrior Plus. It was about a year ago. So I've kind of gotten away from Warrior Plus as I've developed my business and such. But Warrior Plus is one of the platforms that I got started on, right? It was basically Fiverr and freelancing and selling services on Fiverr, and then also being an affiliate on Warrior Plus. And that got me to that next level to where I had the freedom to kind of do whatever I wanted to online and build my own audiences and multiple YouTube channels and so forth. But in this particular product, it's come from Kevin Fahey, and he is a over $1 million earner on the platform, and I have several of his products, and so I can vouch for the quality of his products. And in this case, it's called $1 Million Warrior. I do have some bonuses for you if you want to get into any of my products that I've created that teach you different business methods or business models online that you can get started making real money online. Stay tuned. In a couple minutes, I will show you the bonuses that you can get if $1 Million Warrior is for you. Now, right off the bat, I'll tell you that $1 Million Warrior is not for you if you have no interest in becoming an affiliate or a vendor on Warrior Plus. It is a platform that you're able to launch products or sell other people's products. And there are products that come out every single day. So we're going to come over here and I'm just going to show you. I'm going to go type in Munch Eye. If you go over to this platform called Munch Eye, you're going to see all this hundreds of products that are scheduled all through the year, right? Hundreds of products that you can go and sell. And right now, right here this is January 19th, and I'm recording this on January 19th, right? Out of the ones that came out today, this Kevin Fahey's $1 Million Warrior, I went and checked this one out and I bought the software. And that's another thing that most of these, you're going to go bonus shopping. You're going to go be looking at other people's reviews. Well, I actually put my money where my mouth is. I go and buy the software and actually watch the content, check out the software and do a proper review for you. Unlike many other people, you're going to be watching their stuff. It's just going to be a fluff. Most people won't even have the content or the product in hand, but I went and purchased the product and one of the traffic upsells actually, just so I can thoroughly look at the product and show you what you would get if you got the product. This is, somebody that I definitely can vouch for. They've made over $1 million on the platform, and I've had some of their products, and they don't have fluff in their product. They actually teach you exactly how they're doing it on Warrior Plus. They show you exactly what to do in order to start profiting on Warrior Plus. You can build an entire business. If you want to get to 10K per month, Warrior Plus, you can definitely do it following his instructions. So we're going to go through, I'm going to show you if you want to, we're going to go check out the sales page right here. Okay. So this is $1 Million Warrior. And I'm going to show you the inside of the product. We are over here. I have the full access to the product, which I purchased. But before I do that, you're probably out there bonus hunting, looking for this product. And so I want to show you what you can get if you choose to pick up $1 Million Warrior via my link. Then you're going to get real value, real courses, hours upon hours of teaching that I show you over the shoulder training on how to make money in different ways, right? So some of you will be arriving at this page and you'll actually be accessing the video. It'll be right here. But while I'm making the review, I don't have the video yet to put on the page, right? So if you click this button right here, it'll take you over to the sales page and you go and make the purchase. Then you're going to be able to get all of these bonuses. Now, many of you, if you're already a Teach Me Money Methods subscriber or you've bought any products in the past, some of these products you might already have access to. So it doesn't necessarily apply to you, but you will get access to PLR Profits Academy, in which I think this is the most thorough, most creative real way to make money with PLR. There's a lot of PLR out there. This isn't a PLR product. This is teaching you how to make money with PLR, right? And I've newly updated the course. So it is updated with different methods that have changed throughout the years, right? That I don't maybe necessarily recommend anymore, but maybe 3 years ago I did. This has been one of my top selling courses that I ever created. And I'm going to give you access to this. This has sold for $99 for a very long time. Right now the current everyday price for this product is $67. And you're going to actually get access to it for free if you sign up to $1 Million Warrior with any of the links on this page, okay? So yeah, and you can read about it. It's a 3-hour-long course over the shoulder taught by me, right? This isn't a bonus that I went out and got. Everyone teaches you go and get PLR products and then offer those as bonuses. No, these are my products I'm offering to you that I'm teaching you, and I can vouch for these because I make money. I still make money every single day from work that I did 3 years ago with PLR, okay? So that's how powerful this product alone right here is. I could just offer this as a bonus, but I'm going to throw in 2 more courses. I have this other course, How to Create YouTube Videos Fast Using AI Software. It condenses the whole thing into a 1-hour course, over-the-shoulder training on how you can build and monetize YouTube channels with the power of AI. Really cool course. And then bonus number 3, small YouTube, big profits. This is a standalone product, about 3 hours long. And this teaches you exactly how you can make money from extremely small YouTube channels, where I already made $13,000 in my first 6 months on this channel. And I only had about 500 subscribers when I started making money. So these are all 3 premium courses. You're going to get you're going to get access to this for free as a bonus, just as a courtesy of saying, hey, thanks for picking up $1 Million Warrior. You guys know me. I'm not going to recommend or promote anything that's crap on this channel, Teach Me Money Methods. I'm not going to let you guys know about a software unless I know it's good, and I'm going to show you how good it is right now. So go ahead and pick this up. Let's go in and real quick, go back to, I'm actually I already purchased it. We're going to go and check out the one-time offers and such. At the time of looking at this or recording this, it's on a dime sale. So we're at $17.55. Not sure what it's going to be when you go ahead and click click the button to go check it out. But essentially what he is teaching is his entire business model in a box. And he's going to show you how to be an affiliate if you want to be an affiliate on Warrior Plus, if you want to be a vendor, product creator, and how to partner with JVs if you want to do that, or you don't have to do that, right? How to set up your profile for success for people that's one of the biggest things is when you're new on Warrior Plus, it's tough to get approved as an affiliate and build that rapport that you need with those vendors in order for them to let you sell their product, right? So all that is in there. I'm going to go so after you push the buy button right here, then you purchase the product, right? And there's one order bump. I think that it's 50% off of a traffic course. And it's about $17. I went ahead and added that on. So I spent like $34 or something like that. I got the whole thing. But then it's going to take you to, we already know that there's upsells, right? This is part of the business. I think it's kind of fun in a way, especially when it's a good product. When it's a crap product, you can smell it a mile away. I don't purchase anything like that. But like I said, I have a short vendors list of people on Warrior Plus that I can vouch for, that I trust, that make good products, right? So I'm not going to recommend a product creator or a product that is not high quality. So this is OTO1. So it says, thank you for purchasing $1 Million Warrior, right? You just qualified for a $300 discount on the All Access Pass special. So you can actually get all of Kevin Fahey's products by purchasing this here. Looks like you can click the button there. It's not going to be $997. So it's going to be about $600, I think, if I had to guess. But you're going to get access to all of his products over the last several years. And so forth. So obviously there's a little sales video And this is to get instant access to that. I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom. I mean, here's all the products. I mean, look at this. Like, it's just nonstop. You guys know his other brand. It's the I Am Checklist. This one he's launching under his name, Kevin Fahy, because it's a training course. But he also has a PLR brand called I Am Checklist, and you're going to get access to all those products as well. We're going to scroll down here, and here's all this other stuff you're going to get to. It's, it's overwhelming. It's probably too much product. I don't know what you would do with all that product. It's really the training that you really want. All these trainings right here is really the training on how you're going to actually start making money. If that is what your goal is. And if you're already not making money, then these are going to be the ones that you want to go after. So, in my opinion, a little too long of a OTO. I don't know who's going to read that whole thing like that. But here's the all access. Here's what you all get down here. Yep, looks like it's $697. You're getting the $300 off. I'll be curious to see what the conversion rate on that is. Not a lot of people are going to be spending $697 on a product like this, but nonetheless, I had to go all the way down here. I just wanted to say no. Where is the no? There should be. I was just going to try to see. There's usually like a no thank you on the on this page, but I'm going to go ahead and close that out. And okay, I just went and took a snapshot of what the OTOs are and so forth. So we were just looking at the OTO one. I wasn't seeing where there was the actual, button where you can say no thank you. So that could be an issue with his sales page. In order to get to all these other OTOs. I believe you have access to all the OTOs to go and purchase them. Also, once you pick up the front end product, once you're inside the membership area, you'll be able to purchase any of these as well. But then you have OTO 2, which is the list building masterclass. It's on a dime sale as well. Free affiliate funnel. Some of these products you might already have, like free affiliate funnel. I already have that. Free affiliate funnels reseller license, and the I Am Checklist trial membership right here. So those are the OTOs. Not really sure. It's not the best OTOs that I've seen from him before. The order bump, I recommend getting the free traffic shotgun. So he's going to show you how they get a ton of free traffic and all their free traffic methods. And then you get all these bonuses right here that are already included as well. One of them is this one right here. It's like 30 videos that teaches you how to set up your account and how to build a sales funnel and all that. So it's a full business in a box. I mean, if you purchase this product and you watch the entire thing, there isn't really anything else you're going to need in order to build a business on Warrior Plus. So this is what it looks like inside the membership area. And there's an introduction video. Of course, it's recommended always watch the introduction just to see, make sure you don't miss anything. And then you have, you can continue by pushing this button. It'll take you to the next video and you can just watch it in sync like that. Here's where it's missed the upgrades. You can click on this and there's all the upgrade accesses right there and so forth. But really you're going to scroll down right here. And I really like the way that he has his membership. I think he uses wish list member or something like that. But you have access, here's all of his products, and you either have access to them or you don't. But everything's all inside of this membership program right here. So super cool. So watch the introduction. It's right here as well. He's got these nice laid out in like card format right here, thumbnail format. Merchant accounts. So for somebody that's experienced, I've made tens of thousands of dollars on Warrior Plus as a vendor and affiliate. So I know how to do all this right here. But I can grade somebody based on the information, and I've watched most of the videos and so forth. So like if you're brand new and you want to make, you want to go after Warrior Plus and you want to start making money, this program is perfect for you. It's one of the best that I've seen for Warrior Plus. It's complete. It takes you through merchant accounts and integrations, setting up your profile for success. And then you're going to be able to make money as an affiliate right here. There's 6 videos on affiliate, creating product reviews, how to create a blog post to rank those, all kinds of different, he shows you what software he uses to do his kind of bonus pages and reviews and so forth. And then product creator, this is where he makes most of his money right here. And he's got the full crash course right here, how to get your Warrior Plus product of the day, taking your business to the next level. I really liked this video right here. It gives you all these tips in order to, like, if you want to take this serious as a business and take it to $10,000, $20,000 a month, this is the video for you. Pricing and upsells, people are kind of, because it can be confusing. It can be very overwhelming when you're inside Warrior Plus trying to set up your first product. He's going to make that easy for you right in here. Then you have your Warrior partnerships. If you want to partner on a launch with someone, then he talks about that as well. So it's and then you have all these bonuses right here. You can go and pick up. We click on the bonuses right here. Going to open up, and like here's where your access to the I am newbie. So if you're brand new, this would be a good one as well. You have all kinds of different good products right here, and he's giving away a lot in this course. So overall, I think it's 18 videos. It's probably 3 to 5 hours worth of content. A lot of those videos were over 10 minutes long. And like I said, complete business in a box. If you want to make money on Warrior Plus as an affiliate or a vendor, this is the product for you. You can get in pretty cheap at 17, 18 bucks right now, and so forth. So the video quality is really good at 1080p. You can speed up. So you push play, you can actually come in here and you can speed this up right here. And that's what I like to do sometimes to watch the course, at a faster speed. Kind of a tip for you. But finding products to promote, you can click on here and it's going to take you right to the video. Works really, really well. When you're done watching that one, you can go to training home, or you can go. So it's just a nicely laid out format. And I know how much work it goes into organizing this type of membership right here. This is one of the highest quality that I have seen. All right. So that is my review on the $1 Million Warrior. If you want to go and pick this up, there's a sales page right here. Just click the link below and you're going to be taken to my bonus page right here. And all you have to do is just click on this green button here, any of the green buttons, and it's going to take you over to the sales page right here. And then from this point on, all you have to do is just push the buy button. We're at $17.62 right here. Just push that buy button, and then you're going to get access to all 3 of my premium courses: PLR Profits Academy. You're going to get how to create YouTube videos fast using AI software, and Small YouTube Big Profits. I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.